Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2018 Street Glide Special. It is in vivid black. Bike only has a little over 5,000 miles, so very low mileage. You got some highway pegs on here. Still got the stock bars. Got an LED headlight. But the bike is mostly stock. Got some lower fairings on here. That's real nice on these Street Glides. You have the docking hardware, shorty antenna, got some slip-on exhaust on here that sounds real good. Not sure what kind they are. One little scratch on top of the saddlebag. That's the only thing I see. Super clean bike. There's the 5,424 miles. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.